Assalamu alaikum, welcome to new tutorial and my mechanical software support. In this video I'm going to show you how can you create a planar surface inside SolidWorks surfaces. Let me show. Just come to sketch and choose a center rectangle. Come to front plane, make it normal. Draw a rectangle. Assign the dimension 250, 150, and exact sketch. Now, when we come to surfaces and when we select extrude surface, so there will be extrusion. But if we want to fill this entire sketch just like a planar surface, so what to do, just come to planar surface. It will automatically generate a planar surface for you. After that, if you want, you can deform this by using the freeform tool. In upcoming videos I will try to make a separate videos on the freeform tool, but this is how you can create any kind of lathe surface. It depends on your sketch, what kind of sketch you have drawn, and say okay. Let me choose the surface and make me some appearance. Come here and plastic, come to high gloss and come here. Let me choose this color. Okay, so this is how you can create a planar surface. Sometimes it is needed, so you must know about the planar surface, how to create a planar surface inside SolidWorks surfaces tutorial. So hopefully you understand. If you are new on my channel, please don't forget to like, share my channel's videos, and also subscribe my channel and press the notification bell icon so that to receive the upcoming videos notification to you people. Thanks for watching.